Remember that one time you tried to upgrade your computer and it ended up slower than a snail in molasses? Imagine doing that to your car. Yep, ECU tuning mishaps can turn that growling beast into a purring kitten real quick. ECU tuning is a magic wand that can unlock your car's hidden potential, but only if you know what you're doing. Otherwise, it's like letting a toddler mess around with your car's software. And trust us, no one wants that, especially not your car. So, let's dive deep into the mysterious worlds of chips and bytes and save your ride and wallet from potential heartbreak. Vroom vroom, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, the intersection of Silicon Valley and the Motor Valley. This channel is where tech nerds and car geeks unite. We're not just about getting from point A to point B. We're about getting there in style, efficiency, and with a little roguish charm. Today, we're diving into the world of cheap, fun, and reliable wheels without the risk of turning your car into a glorified paperweight. Buckle up as we steer clear of ECU tuning mistakes that can cost you a fortune. Because just like you wouldn't want Windows 95 running on your brand new gaming rig, you don't want outdated or misguided software driving your car. Onwards to a smoother ride. The power trio of your engine: air, fuel, and spark. Let's face it, most of us clicked on this thinking that the combustion engine was some intricate magic show. Well, in essence, it is. But it's powered by three chief wizards: air, fuel, and spark. This magical trio collaboratively dazzles us, making our vehicle spur, growl, or roar, depending on the mood, or the foot pressing the pedal. Understanding the role of each member of this power trio is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance. Air, as the first wizard, is responsible for delivering the necessary oxygen for combustion. Fuel, the second wizard, provides the energy source needed to power the engine. Lastly, spark, the final wizard, ignites the air-fuel mixture to create controlled explosions that propel your vehicle forward. Together, these three elements work in harmony to ensure a smooth and efficient ride. The combustion cycle, without getting too Bill Nye Science Guy on you, is like breathing for your car. And just like Goldilocks, your car wants its air and fuel just right. Mix it up right. Understanding AFR. This brings us to the air-fuel mixture, or AFR. Think of AFR as the diet plan for your car. Feed it too little, low fuel, and it's sluggish and might just faint. Overfeed it, too much fuel, and it becomes lazy and inefficient. The term you might hear gearheads throw around, stoichiometric ratio, is not just them showing off their vocabulary. It's the balanced diet your car craves. It ensures every tiny drop of fuel gets a dance partner with air to combust efficiently. Spark it up. It's all in the timing. Now, while AFR is all about feeding your car, ignition timing is about when to give it that spicy jalapeno, the spark. It's that perfect moment when the conditions are just right, creating a powerful combustion. Getting the timing right is the difference between a perfectly grilled steak and charred meat. And trust us, neither you nor your car likes overcooked meals. Ignition timing is crucial because it determines when the spark plug ignites the fuel-air mixture in the combustion chamber. If the timing is too early or too late, it can result in decreased power, poor fuel efficiency, and potential engine damage. Therefore, ensuring precise ignition timing is essential for optimal performance and longevity of your vehicle. Various factors, from engine speed to the type of fuel, dictate when this spark should light up the party in your cylinder. ECU Tuning. Welcome to the 21st century. Gone are the days of fidgeting manually with engines with greasy hands in a toolbox. Enter the Electronic Control Units, or ECUs. Think of ECU as the car's brain, receiving signals from sensors like a modern tech guru, making real-time decisions. It's like upgrading from a telegram to instant messaging, With ECU Tuning, you can optimize your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency by adjusting the parameters that the ECU uses to make its decision. This advanced technology allows for a more precise and personalized driving experience, ensuring that your vehicle runs at its best for years to come. The efficiency and precision this brings makes your car's performance smoother than a freshly ironed shirt. Are you still cruising with us? Or did we ignite a little too much spark in that engine of curiosity? Have you already started imagining your car's symphony under the hood? Or are you just revving up? Either way, buckle up, because we're about to shift gears and dive deeper into the turbocharged world of ECU. Ready to accelerate into the next lap? The art of tuning. Tuning isn't just fiddling with some buttons. It's more like being a maestro for a grand symphony. Each change must harmonize perfectly with the rest. From adjusting for a new cold air intake because your car loves fresh air, to making sure that new turbocharger doesn't make things go kaboom, tuning is a delicate art. It requires a deep understanding of the engine's mechanics and the ability to fine-tune various parameters to optimize performance. A skilled tuner knows how to strike the right balance between power, fuel efficiency, and reliability, creating a harmonious blend that brings out the best in your vehicle. And sometimes, all your car needs is a software update, just like our endless phone updates, but with horsepower benefits. Dino Tuning, where the magic happens. Ever wonder where tuners perfect their craft? On a dyno. It's like a treadmill for cars, giving them a consistent platform to test and tweak. While dynos can't replicate the thrill of the open road or the grit of a racetrack, they provide a controlled environment. Yes, road and track tuning have their merits, but dynos offer a safety net, ensuring your car gets the best tune without the risk of unexpected potholes or squirrel crossings. The infinite layers of tuning. If you thought we were done, think again. Beyond the basics lie intricate tables, maps, and functions that a tuner dances with. It's like discovering there are more levels in your favorite video game. This vast world is why many tuners specialize, becoming grandmasters in specific car realms. And while we all love the adrenaline rush of power runs, the unsung heroes are the adjustments for idling, cold starts, and steady states, because even cars need their downtime. These seemingly minor adjustments can make a world of difference in the overall performance and longevity of a vehicle. Tuners who truly understand the intricacies of these settings can fine-tune a car to perfection, ensuring optimal efficiency and reliability. So next time you see a perfectly tuned car speeding down the road, remember that behind the scenes, there's a tuner who has put in countless hours perfecting every aspect of its performance. Alright, road scholars, you've cruised through the highways and byways of ECU knowledge with us at Car Computer Exchange. Impressed? Maybe a little turbocharged with information? If you're eager to shift into a higher gear and keep the engine of enlightenment purring, don't leave our ride just yet. Give that subscribe button some love, and make sure you're on board for our next adventure. With us, it's not just about the destination. It's about enjoying every twist and turn of the journey. Stay in the loop, stay revved up, and remember, Car Computer Exchange is where horsepower meets brain power. Drive safe and stay curious.